Lunar Mysteries – Unanswered Questions about the Moon. This video explores the enigmatic aspects of the Moon, from its origin to its surface features and magnetic field. It highlights the unanswered questions that still surround our celestial neighbor and encourages curiosity and wonder. The video discusses different theories about the Moon's origin, including the giant impact hypothesis and the capture theory. It highlights the unanswered questions regarding the Moon's formation and its relationship to Earth. Before continuing, subscribe our channel. The video delves into the mysteries surrounding the Moon's geology, including the presence of lunar swirls, unusual rock formations, and the possibility of hidden water ice in permanently shadowed regions. It also discusses the intriguing features of the Moon's surface, such as craters, mountains, and valleys. The video explores the Moon's magnetic field, or lack thereof, and the puzzling absence of a global magnetic field like that of Earth. It delves into the theories surrounding the Moon's magnetic history and how it impacts its interaction with the solar wind. The video addresses the enduring mystery of the Moon's interior, discussing the composition and structure of the Moon's core, mantle, and crust. Core, mantle, crust. It also highlights ongoing debates and research efforts to unravel its secrets. The video discusses the enigmatic lunar transient phenomena, LTP, and the intriguing lunar seismic activity, often referred to as moonquakes. It also sheds light on the mysteries surrounding the composition, distribution, and origins of the regolith and the perplexing phenomenon of lunar swirls. The video emphasizes the importance of continued lunar exploration and scientific research, highlighting the